everybody, guess what? I went to Walgreens, and yes, I got a small haul, but it ended up becoming another moneymaker, so I am pretty excited to show you guys what I got. Now, the best deal you guys want to get is the Revlon makeup deal. Hopefully you guys have some of those coupons. So, the Revlon is on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. So, the mascara is $8.49, and then it says you have to get any eye product. And I got this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is $7.99 at the store that I went to. So, you guys want to buy both of these. The eyeshadow will go down to 50% off. And so then you guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon. You guys would just get both of these for $3.99, but then you guys also get 3,000 points if you guys buy two Revlon items. So this ends up becoming just 99 cents. So definitely do this deal if you guys can do this. I was pretty excited. I did the deal once because my store did not have them on. They didn't have the sale signs up. I had to like go ask her if I could just do this transaction. So I had 5 of those coupons. So I went and did this, and I just paid out of pocket, and then I got 3,000 points. So there was that. I ended up doing that deal 5 times, but like I said, I did one separate because I wanted to make sure it was on sale because my store did not have half the price tags up. I was kind of disappointed in that. I got another eyeshadow. Oh, yeah, okay. So I ended up having, I got 3. You guys can pay with points and get this. It's up to you guys, and it also tracks for beauty. So I got 5 mascaras, and I got 5 eyeshadows. So that was a great deal. Plus, I got Hit Beauty with those, and I'm super close for Hidden Beauty, so I'll get another 5,000 points. I ended up getting this Playtex sippy cup. These were $6.49 at my store. They didn't have the bottles, they just had the sippy cups. So this was, I used a $2 off coupon that we were able to print off at coupons.com a couple weeks ago that is no longer available. Or not a couple weeks ago, like a week or so ago. Plus there's a $2 off one coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for $2.49. So I got My Little Pony because, you know, I plan on doing some baby gifts and I have a lot of boy stuff, so why not get some girl stuff? I ended up getting the extra gum because, you know, why not? So these were 2 for $4. Again, my store did not have these marked. So I used that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $3 for this, or they come out to be $1.50, which comes out to be 50 cents a pack, which is still a great deal on gum. My store had a tons of like deodorant and stuff, like super cheap, but everything was all wiped out. And then I saw these. These were marked as 65 cents. And then when I looked at my receipt, I didn't know this, but these were buy one, get one 50% off. So you got these for 65 cents and then what, 30 or 42 cents? I don't even know. I don't know. But you can't go wrong with that. So I ended up getting these super cheap because it's nice to have a variety of deodorant. I got the Hellmann's, that's a beer. Hellmann's Mayo. This was on sale for $2.99. Again, my store didn't have these marked, so I kind of took pictures with the ads. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we just got in this Unilever on today's paper. You guys would just end up getting this for $1.99, but then there's a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta that you guys can submit. So the final price for this is $1.49. You can do this deal, I think, up to 5 times. So if you guys really want mayo, go for it. So there's that. And then I ended up getting the Almay wipes. I wish I had more coupons on me, which I will have more on me. But these were $5.99. You guys want to use 2 $4 off coupons that we just got in last Sunday's paper, I think. Plus, you guys also want to use a $4 off a 2 coupon that we got in the Walgreens booklet. These would end up being a free, these would be free. It ends up becoming a 2-cent moneymaker. What I end up doing is for when it comes to involving the booklet, what I have them do is I enter my phone number and I put my rewards stuff in there. I give them all my manufacturer coupons first, and then the very last thing I do is I have them scan the Walgreens booklet. So that's how you guys can kind of do overage. Same thing with the employee discount. It involves the Walgreens booklet. I always have that scan that last because I don't know, I just do it and it works every single time. So there was that. So my total came to $17.60 for everything. Or no, I came to $17.60 for one transaction and $3.61 for the other one. Like I said, I did make 2 transactions, so $21.21. I ended up getting 20,000 points back. Now, if you guys think about it, when you redeem 18,000 points, that's $20. So I technically got $22 worth of points. I got $22 worth of points back because I got beauty ones, and then it was the buy 2 get 1 50% off for the Revlon, and then I ended up getting 50 cents back with Ibotta. So this whole total came to $1.29 moneymaker. So definitely do this deal, especially if you guys have a lot of those Revlon coupons. I would not pass this deal up. This is an awesome deal. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy this, and be prepared. I will probably be doing a second haul again with more makeup because, you know, can't go wrong with that. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.